In this video, I will show you how to install a WordPress theme on a self-hosted website. This is the website where we are going to install the WordPress theme. Before installing the WordPress theme, I need to go to WordPress admin panel. I'm going to log in to the admin panel. wp-admin. I must need a admin or administrator user access to set up the theme. Okay, now I am on the WordPress dashboard. Go to the sidebar, appearance, themes. There you can see some default theme from WordPress. Currently, this theme is installed. Now I will search new theme to install. To do that, click here, add new theme. From here, you can upload a theme from your desktop, or you can find a theme from WordPress theme library. There are lots of theme. There are 6,507 theme available. So let me find a theme for agency. When I search agency, you see there are so many beautiful themes showing for WordPress agency theme. I'm going to install. Before installing the theme, let me check the preview. We cannot see the full preview here. Just a default page preview show here. But the theme author shared the preview link here. I copy this link and checking here. This is the demo. It's very good, clean, and professional. I think this theme is okay. If you like this theme, you can use this one, or you can still find new theme here. For example, this one. Let's see if there is. Oh yes, there is the dummy version showing. This theme also looks good. Okay, so I'm installing this one. Click on the install button. It will take a few seconds, maybe a few minutes. Installation complete. I need to activate the theme. Theme also activate. Now I'm going to check the website. This is the theme I just installed. Now you can change the menu. You can change the other content as per your needed. I show that for agency business, you can do the same thing for dental clinic. Let me show that. Add new and dental. There is theme for dental clinic. Okay. Let me show the preview. There is no preview link, but I can install the theme here. Activate. And let's see the theme. Okay, maybe I need to install dummy content. View demo. This is the demo version. You can make this kind of website using this theme. There should be an option to install demo content. getting started. Customize live demo GoPro. No, I cannot see any option to install the demo content. So I think if you are beginner, then this theme is not good for you. You should select a different theme, add new theme, dental, and let's see the preview. Yes, you can this theme also. This theme is ready. Just click install. And activate. Sorry, not this one, this one. This theme is also ready. It's a very good theme for dental clinic. Similarly, you can choose your business related theme from here. I think lots of theme available here. So I hope you will find your business related theme or template from here. If you don't found the theme, then you can try to get the theme from other site where premium level WordPress theme available. If you need any help to install WordPress theme, you can visit our website. Here we have lots of theme ready. You can select a theme as per your business. For example, construction business. Choose a theme. Check the demo. Check the demo. Very, very good theme. Very good design. Yeah, very good design. So if you install this, if you want us to install this theme, this is a premium level theme. You can just visit here. There's three type of option. One is for only install the WordPress theme. This premium theme will get the license from the relevant website and install that on your website on your cPanel, or you can hire us to install the complete WordPress website, or you can hire us to build a custom WordPress website. That's it for today. Please like if you like the video. Please subscribe us to get the small business digital marketing related information in future. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.